Hey guys, new details on the PlayStation 4 controller have come out today. According to VG247, the PlayStation 4's controller will feature a front-facing touchpad. Yeah! I'm so excited about this. I hope it's true. Now, to accommodate this feature, the controller's start and select buttons have reportedly been shifted. This update's cool because according to previous reports, we thought the PS4 controller would feature a rear touchpad based on the PlayStation Vita's existing technology. Concerning the PS4 controller's form factor, the source said it will be more or less the same as the current DualShock, though the L2 and the R2 buttons have been remodeled for the better, quote unquote. As for the controller's rumored share button that would allow users to post gameplay video and screenshots to the internet, the source unfortunately said that that does not exist. I hope that they're wrong because that share button would be super duper cool. Now, Sony's media event is going to be held next Wednesday, February 20th. You guys can actually watch it online. They promise that they're going to have it live streaming. I hope that the new controller looks super sick. Do you think it would be cool to have a front-facing touchpad? I do. Let me know in the comment section down below. Again, I'm Haley Bright. I'll be back on Monday with more of your gaming news.